Somerford at Stoner Farm is an idyllic Lancaster County community. It's surrounded by equine farms, which is just beautiful and amazing. The community itself is less than 2 miles from every major highway that runs through Lancaster. You have the Belmont Shopping District, which is just minutes away. The conveniences and the amenities are just unmatched in Somerford at Stoner Farm. The carriage homes in the Somerford at Stoner Farm community are a lifestyle alternative to the larger single-family plans that we offer in the community. They're for customers who love the conveniences and the amenities that are offered in the area, but may be looking for a smaller footprint, might be looking for less maintenance. Of the home sites in Somerford at Stoner Farm, 18 will be the Carriage House product, and that product type includes 2 different floor plans, the Crestwood and the Cedarbrook floor plan. The model home that we're featuring for the Carriages in Somerford is a Crestwood Heritage. It's a first floor owner suite. Walking up to the home, you'll see a beautiful stone facade, wraparound porch. And walking into the home, you have this really nice foyer with the tray ceiling. Opens up into a family room, dining room, living area, which is that lifestyle feature with a cathedral ceiling, a white brick fireplace, lots of natural light flowing into the plan, gorgeous classic kitchen. Just an incredible, beautiful plan, really well regarded by our customers. The carriage homes in the Somerford at Stoner Farm community are going to be a lifestyle alternative to our larger single-family homes that are offered in the community, but they're still going to get the ideal location, amenity-rich Manheim Township address that they're looking for, all in that lifestyle type home.